Own challenge one another, please. Can you folks do this to help out these folks for Kauai? Can you do it? Come on! Especially on a hot day like this. Now remember, this originated on the mainland in the dead of winter, in the cold of winter, when it was a real challenge. Today, this might actually be refreshing. All right. Cookie, you got it. You're going to call it.
Okay.